If you run a handmade business, you probably know the feeling. One spreadsheet for inventory, another for pricing, a sales log somewhere, and a tax folder you avoid until April. None of them quite agree. So you type the same numbers 3 times, and you are still never sure if you actually made money. The Maker's Business Operating System replaces that whole pile with a single connected file, where logging one sale updates everything at once. Here's the idea at the heart of it. You log a sale one time, on the sales log, and the workbook quietly does the rest. It lowers the stock you just sold, books the platform fee for that channel, rolls the cost and profit into your monthly numbers, updates that customer's order history, and tags the income to the right tax line. 1 row in, and 5 things take care of themselves. Inside, you get 14 connected tabs, and they all talk to each other. A dashboard, settings for your labor rate and channel fees, your materials and finished products, a production log, a customer list, and the sales log itself. Then a wholesale section, expenses and mileage, a monthly profit and loss, a Schedule C summary, and a year-end scoreboard. A Start Here tab walks you through setup in about 15 minutes. The dashboard is your whole business on one screen. Revenue, profit, and margin are calculated for you, alongside how each sales channel is doing and which materials are getting low. You open the file, and you can see exactly where things stand, without adding up a single column yourself. Pricing is where a lot of makers quietly lose money, so the file does the math for you. Your unit cost rolls up materials, your own labor, and packaging. Then the suggested price works backward from your target margin after the platform takes its cut, so the number you charge actually pays you for your time. It also keeps an eye on your supplies. Set a reorder point for each material, and the file flags whatever is running low, so you order more wax before the candles, not after. Every batch you produce raises your stock, and every sale lowers it again, all on its own. The sales log is the hub that ties everything together. Etsy, your own website, a craft fair, a wholesale order, they all land in one place. You pick the product, the file looks up its cost, and it works out the fee, the profit, and the tax line for every order you make. When you are ready to grow past one-at-a-time sales, there is a wholesale section built right in. A fillable line sheet where the margins fill themselves in, and a simple tracker for every buyer, sample, and reorder. So the next time a shop asks you to send your line sheet, you already have one ready to go. And when tax season arrives, you are not starting from a shoebox of receipts. Every expense has been mapped to its Schedule C line all year, sorted into income, expenses, and cost of goods sold, ready to hand to your accountant. There is even a rough self-employment tax estimate and a friendly guide that explains it all in plain English. That is the Maker's Business Operating System. 14 connected tabs that run your whole shop from one file. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. It comes with a sample business you can explore first, and you buy it once and keep it for good. So instead of juggling 6 spreadsheets that never agree, you can keep your numbers in one and get back to making. Look for it on Ardent Workshop and begin with the Start Here tab.